Alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
How are you? I am fine. How are you, madam?
Hey, I am fine too. You are India.
Yes, I am Indian. You know Hindi?
Hey, I see the hair. Timajala, I see the hair. The
Oh,
hair,
wow.
your hair is like India.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Nice, nice. Welcome to
No,
Barnamish. You know the
you are
program.
so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. And
Where you are
Hadadan.
from?
Korea.
Where you are from?
And I am from Djibouti. You know Djibouti?
Djibouti, no, Sudan, huh?
No, it's not Sudan. Djibouti, it's near Somalia. You know Somalia?
I don't know.
Hey, ha. Djibouti, it's the people, the Lakmite, the beautiful.
You
The
like,
beautiful.
so much, man. My country is come.
Your friend is here. Your friend is.
Wow. What's your name, madam?
My name is Nim'a.
So nice.
And you?
Nazrul Islam.
And Nasrul Islam. How old are you?
Yeah?
How old are you? How old are you? Your age?
My age 24.
24, the same age. Me and you, the same age. Is good that one. I know. Wallahi, it's good. And I watch the Bollywood films.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan and Ashwarya, Amir
Wow.
Khan. Kuch hota hai. I see. I watch every time.
My favorite hero, Shah Rukh Khan, my favorite hero.
Me too. My favorite actor, wallahi, every time. And
कभी
you
खुशी
want
कभी गम ना जुदा होंगे हम.
wallah.
You know Hindi
You and
song?
I
You understand Hindi
yes, yes.
song?
I tell you
You like
something, yeah? Nasrul, I tell you something. Listen, I tell you something. And my program, you see the first time, huh? The first time you see my
uh
program.
Okay.
My program is to sing. The people, they come, I call them, they sing. You want to sing in India songs?
Indian song.
Yes, hey, come on. Of what wallah. Come on.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
I know this song. This song, it is from the film Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know,
yeah.
wallahi. I know, wallahi. I know. It is good. Another song.
You like Shah Rukh Khan?
I like very much when I was young. When I was young, from here. I like every time, wallahi.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah.
You live in India.
Yes.
Wallahi, you good. Me, the people, they tell me I look like India people. It is true.
Sorry?
And me, when the people, they see me, and they think I am India.
Indian, yeah, correct.
Yes, it is true, huh?
You come my India one.
Yeah? What?
You come my India one time.
And when I come to India, and you welcome me.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I like your food, and biryani rice. I like very delicious.
Not there, biryani?
I
not there biryani?
Eh?
Biryani is not there?
The biryani. I tell you something. I tell you something. sorry. I laugh so
No,
much. Because your face it is laughed automatically. Wallahi. The biryani, it is the rice, the rice and the chicken biryani.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Indian food. Ma?
Your
I have
favorite
the I
food
am. Huh?
in your country is who's your favorite food?
Ah, my country it is fahfah and bris.
Papa
Fahfah,
hybrid. Papa.
yes, and lahah and muqmat.
Okay. Yo, beef, you know beef,
Beef, yes, the meat,
yeah, cow.
yes.
Yo,
And where are you staying in India? In New
yeah.
Delhi. In New Delhi. You.
No.
Which city?
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore. It
But
is it is not the
but I am not Hindi. I am Indian, but I am here Bengali Indian.
Bengali. What does that means?
My home is Bangladesh border.
Bangladesh. I understand now. I
I'm
understand
not
now.
Bangladeshi. I'm Indian, but border Bangladesh.
I understand. How no, I understand.